Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the brand new series on Angular. So in this video, we are going to learn what is Angular and its history of Angular and the technologies used in Angular. Finally, we are going to see whether this series is worth watching for you and what all this tutorial covers. Let's start with what is Angular. Angular is a JavaScript framework used for creating reusable UI interfaces. Then Angular is mainly used for creating single-page applications, where the particular page gets rendered without the page reload. Angular has built-in features for animation, page routing, and HTTP service and much more. We'll cover each and every features available in Angular in the following video series. Then we'll go with the history of Angular. First version of framework is Angularjs. It was released in the year 2009. Angular 2 was released as a complete rewritten of Angularjs on September 2016. Angular 4 was announced on December 2016 and released final version on March 2017. Angular 5 was released on November 2017. Angular 6 was released on May 2018. Angular 7 was released on October 2018. All these things are just an information about the Angular. Then we'll move to technologies used in Angular. Angular CLI, it was created using Node.js. It has n number of commands. We can make use of each and every command based on our project need. Angular supports both TypeScript and JavaScript. It also supports SCSS and CSS. Whenever you create a project, it prompts you a question on how the project has to be initiated. Then Angular has ES6 feature support, but most of the browsers doesn't support ES6. So internally Angular CLI converts the ES6 features into ES5. Then Jasmine, Karma and Protractor. All these things are testing framework used in Angular. In this tutorial series, we are not going to see the Jasmine, Karma and Protractor. We'll cover this part in separate video series. Finally, we are here to see whether this series is worth watching. Yes, all the videos in my channel is very useful for your career if you are a front-end developer. Since Angular team is planned for continuous release, we will be learning latest version of Angular in this series. Whenever there is a change in upcoming versions of Angular, we will cover each and every changes in this video series. As of now, with this recording, Angular version is Angular 7. We'll share the real-time challenges faced wherever is necessary. And I will help you out to crack the Angular interviews. Thank you for watching. See you in next session.